Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on June the 4th, 2019. Erdogan plans to take a defense deal with Russia. President Tayyip Erdogan said on Tuesday Turkey committed to deal with Moscow to buy Russian S-400 missile defense system. Speaking to reporters after morning prayers, Erdogan also said the Russian offer much better than offer from United States to sell Patriot missiles to Turkey. Washington and Turkey's offer Western NATO allies said the Russian system is incompatible with NATO's defense network and poses a threat to U.S. F-35 fighter jet that Turkey also plans to buy. Turkey had offered to set up groups with the United States to work together in the issue. Erdogan said Turkey had also been discussing a U.S. offer to sell Patriot missiles. Stocks mixed, treasuries fall amid market tensions. Stocks declined in Europe on Tuesday, while Asian equities and U.S. index futures swung a day after a slump in technology shares diminished global sentiment. The Stoxx Europe 600 index reversed Monday's gains, with technology shares leading the decrease. Stocks in China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan tumbled, while Japanese and South Korean equities were slightly changed. Australian shares were higher, and the Aussie dollar fluctuated after the central bank cut interest rates to a record low. Treasuries were set to stop their one-week rally amid expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates. Oil prices mixed after the Wall Street banks raised in the forecast of a global recession, while Saudi Arabia tried to assure investors that OPEC will avert a supply glut. United States dollar sinks on forecast of rate cut, yen rises. The U.S. dollar dropped to 0.1% to a three-week low on Tuesday, trading below 97 for the first time since April the 18th, as rising bets on an interest rate cut by Federal Reserve weighed on Treasury yields. Meanwhile, rising concerns about global growth sent investors buying into a safe haven yen. The yield on 10-year U.S. Treasury bonds decreased to 2%, its lowest since September 2017 after comments of St. Louis Fed President James Bullard about the imminent rate cut. The safe haven Japanese yen, which attracts investors as the tough time of markets, rose 0.2% to 107.845 yen per dollar, its strongest since mid-January. SoftBank plans to get profit on Alibaba share sale. Japan SoftBank Group Corp said on Tuesday it expects to book around 1.2 trillion yen, $11.12 billion in pre-tax profit on the sale of shares in China's Alibaba Group Holding Ltd. SoftBank holds a 26% stake in Alibaba, worth $101 billion. The Japanese investment firm said it would get the profit in the financial quarter and in June. SoftBank Group shares closed down 3% on Tuesday ahead of Alibaba's sale announcement, given the conglomerate market capitalization of 10.2 trillion yen.